Hi, Rana here from Technical SEO Team Pergamon. Let's save the time and build the automated process for list cleaning. I have made a Google Sheet for this purpose. Here you can clean the emails, remove the personal emails and invalid emails like double dot or a symbol in the email. So for this purpose, I have written a Google Apps script code. Here it is. You can find this in the description of this video. So you just have to put the emails in the first column in the current sheet. You can use any sheet for this purpose and use this Google Sheet and go to the file, make a copy and use this sheet for your email cleaning purpose. So here you can see I have some sample emails and I have menu email tools. Now click on the remove invalid emails. Let's see. Okay, 7 invalid emails were removed. Click OK. Here you can see the 7 invalid emails are removed. So it's a simple process, and now you can save your time and delete the invalid email from the large list. It doesn't mean it's 1,000 or 100,000. So tap the like button, subscribe the channel, and share the videos. Thank you.